Hello everyone, Hashim Ashraf from Max Real Estate. Today at the site for the Above Condominium, which is built by two top-notch developers, that is RIOCAN Living as well as MARLIN. So there are two towers coming up in this particular location with around 550 plus units. It's a huge plaza. You can see here it's an existing plaza. There is like medical clinics and fit for you labs, like gym, dentist, McDonald's, banks, everything is already there. It's an existing plaza. And when it comes to the location, it's Hurontario and Bristol. That's the intersection, Hurontario and Bristol. So where in the corner this condominium is coming up. The unique selling point is even in this new project we have 3-bedroom units. So normally in the new condominium projects we don't get 3-bedroom in Mississauga. We have 3-bedroom unit which is starting from like 1 studio, 1 plus den up to 3-bedroom. So there are larger units available for even for first time home buyers as well as for investors. This is going to be a very good like project, and which comes with a great price point, like which is starting from high 400s. So when it comes to amenities, there are 40,000 square feet of amenities in this condo, which will be shared by both the towers. Like there will be 2 towers coming up with a very good huge podiums. And when it comes to schools nearby, there are around 5 to 6 schools which is just around this place, and there are very highly rated schools. So even for the school education for the kids, it's going to be a very good location. And it's very like very nearby to the Square One, and it's very steps away from the Square One. And when it comes to the LRT, like LRT work is already going on in Hurontario. The work is already up and running. That will be finishing in 2024. So by the time it finishes, the condominium will have a huge value here. And the Heartland Town Center is also very nearby, and Highland Farm is also nearby, Square One is also nearby, so Go Station is also nearby. So it's a very good transit friendly location. So to get a unit and even to get a VVIP pricing, first access in this above condominium, feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202. Thank you so much.